Why do you use perlite in potting mixes? Here's the answer. Better drainage. How do you identify powdery mildew? And the answer is white fuzz. What is the ideal pH for blueberries? Answer. Stop rot. What is the main role of phosphorus? Did you guess it? The answer is root growth. How do you attract ladybugs? The answer is plant dill. Where should you store garden seeds? The answer is cool, dry place. Why are some plants called annuals? Did you guess it? The answer is 1-year cycle. What is the benefit of cold frames? The answer is extend season. How do you use green manure? The answer is grow then bury. When do you prune Hydrangea macrophylla? Did you guess it? The answer is after flowering. Why is bone meal used in gardens? Did you guess it? The answer is phosphorus. What defines a determinate tomato? Here is the answer. Set size. How do you harden off seedlings? Answer. Outside exposure. Why do you use row covers? Did you guess it? The answer is pest barrier. What is the purpose of top dressing? The answer is add nutrients. When should you divide daylilies? The correct choice is spring or fall. Why do you pinch back basil? Time's up. It's encourage bushy. What is the function of gibberellins? Answer. Cell elongation. Why is allelopathy significant? The answer is inhibitions. What is the role of the endodermis? Time's up! It's filter water! How does guttation occur? Answer. Xylem pressure. Why is a high CEC desirable in soil? The correct choice is nutrient holding. What causes blossom end rot? And the answer is calcium deficit. How does phytochrome affect plants? And the answer is detect light. How do you treat Pythium root rot? The answer is improved drainage. What is the primary cause of damping off? The correct choice is fungal pathogen. Why is bolting induced in spinach? Time's up. It's high heat. How is the transpiration rate measured? Time's up. It's petometer. What is the result of etiolation? The answer is pale, weak stems. Why do you use Bacillus thuringiensis? And the answer is control larvae. What is the role of abscisic acid? The answer is stress response. When does vernalization occur? The correct choice is the cold period. How does a plant achieve turgidity? Did you guess it? The answer is water uptake. Why is the Casparian strip vital? The answer is water filtering. What is the cation exchange capacity? And the answer is nutrient binding. How is mycorrhizal symbiosis formed? The correct choice is fungal contact. Why do plants use CAM photosynthesis? Here is the answer: water savings. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.